Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are a new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can never miss a update from us. So today we are going to show you how to fix a common issue that many PS5 Slim users face. The console not connecting to Wi-Fi. So let's get started. So your PS5 Slim is not connecting to Wi-Fi and you are unable to play online games or stream your favorite show. Don't worry, we have got some solutions for you. Here are some steps you can follow to fix the issue. So, the first solution is restart PS5 Slim and your router. Turn off both the PS5 Slim and the router and unplug them from the power source and wait for a few minutes. And plug them back in and turn them on. And then test the connection on the PS5. Solution 2, disconnect and reconnect Wi Fi. Go to settings and then network setting and setting up internet connection and select Wi Fi and choose your network. And then select forget to disconnect it and wait for a few seconds and then select your network again. Enter your password and select done and test the connections on the PS5. Solution 3, change DNS setting. Go to settings and then network. After that, settings and set up internet connection on your PS5 and then select Wi-Fi and choose your network. And here click on option button to select advanced setting. And then scroll down to DNS settings and select manual and enter the following DNS settings. And then primary DNS is 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS 8.8.4.4 and save the settings and test the connection on the PS5. Solution 4, check the number of devices connected to the router. Log into your router admin page and check the number of devices connected to the network. If the number of devices is too high, disconnect some of them and test the connection on the PS5 again. Solution 5, switch Wi-Fi frequency band on PS5. Go to settings and then network, and here you will see setting and setting up internet connection. And then select Wi-Fi and choose your network and click on the option button and then select Wi-Fi frequency band and switch the frequency band to a less congressed one. Example 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz. And save the changes and test the connection on the PS5 again. Solution 6, factory reset your router. So locate the reset button on your router, usually a small hole that required paperclip or similar object to press and hold. Press and hold the reset button for 30 seconds and then release the button and wait for the router to reboot. After the reset, configure your router settings as needed. So, and there you have it. We hope this video is helpful to you and help to fix your PS5 Slim Wi-Fi connection issue. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, if you have any question or need help with anything else, leave a comment below and we will do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye and happy gaming.